DeployAlign compiles scattered deployment promises into testable commitments. Version 0.4, shown on a synthetic sub-fab Raman pilot with no customer data behind it. 3 documents, 3 truths. The customer wants all leaks, everywhere, fully autonomously. Sales promises the entire facility. Engineering can evidence 5 named analytes, 12 mapped areas and supervised operation, and still needs a blind test and a site survey. One-click compiles them. The provider badge says whether Gemini ran or the deterministic path did. The origin chip says whether the compiler API or this browser produced the result. The public demo runs Gemini 3.7 Flash through Vertex AI. The statements become a typed commitment graph. A customer preference is not a constraint. A sales commitment cannot outrun accepted evidence. A verbal site claim is not a surveyed fact. Deterministic rules emit 6 stable diagnostics, each with an exact source quote, for a blockers so the gate holds. Every node and every diagnostic traces back to a verbatim span in a named artifact. Grounding is a contract, not a courtesy. DeployAlign proposes the smallest change the evidence supports. 5 named analytes, 12 mapped areas, supervise phase 1. Every value is copied from the engineering text. Nothing is invented. Then it stops. A person reviews the patch, and the baseline advances to version 2. This button is a demo of that boundary, not authenticated approval. The gate moves from hold to conditional pilot, never to an unconditional pass. The blind test and the surveys stay open. 6 sections linked to the decision are recompiled. 3 unrelated sections keep their change fingerprints. 1 decision ID propagates into a customer memo, a sales statement of work, and an engineering test manifest. Receipts record who did what. Gemini, rules, human, build engine. Since version 0.3, you can paste your own 3 documents. Locally, the same detectors run over your text, in English or first-pass Korean, and every finding still quotes its source. Here, a Korean brief, 6 diagnostics with Korean quotes, a patch copied verbatim from the engineering sentences, and export to Markdown or JSON. And since version 0.4, it runs as a build step. DeployAlign compile fails the pipeline with exit code 2 when a proposal outruns its evidence. Open source under MIT. Gemini proposes deterministic rules decide, a person approves. Real user validation is still ahead and not claimed today.